So in this video we're looking at replacing the battery in a key fob for a Mazda CX-5 from roughly years 2022 I'd say to 2025. The keys are roughly the same. This is from a 2024 model, so let's show you how to do this. So what you need to do is you find just there a little button, so you need to press that in, and if it's hard to do, get yourself a little flathead screwdriver, but you press the button in and remove the back cover. Try and do it. That's it. Yeah, hear it click. So this will expose your emergency key. What you then need to do is take the cover off with the logo, and to do that is the top silver section here. If I can get it into focus, you remove that cover. You might need a little flathead screwdriver again to prise it. Sometimes you can just do it with your fingers like so. So that cover has been removed. Then all you do is then get your flathead screwdriver, just put it underneath the little lip there and give it a little twist until you hear a click, like so. Then take this cover off, and then you will see a secondary cover there which houses the battery. So then you just get your screwdriver under and just flip that up like so, and it will expose your battery, which is a CR2032, so which I have here, and it's the plus side up. So get your flathead again, flick that out, place the new one in, then get a secondary cover and line it up, so back into position so it clicks. It could go one way or the other. There you go, clicked into place. Now you want to put your logo cover back on, so that little lip, that little prong there, you can just see fits into that. Put that down, that hole there. So as you can see, I'm trying to get it right for the camera for you, goes straight into there like that. Then you just do a simple press down so you hear a click, like so, clicked into place. Then you want to put the little chrome piece back on the top, so you line that up like that and push that into place like so. And then the back cover, put on like that, and it just sort of does sort of slide and click. If we get it the right way around, of course, and like that. So there it is. So it should now work. So just slide and click the back cover. Apologies if I got off screen. But yeah, that's basically it in a nutshell to change your Mazda key fob. So please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.